Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a group on Snapchat easily, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Snapchat and then go to your chats by tapping here on the bottom. From there tap on the blue circle right here, this one. It will take you to this screen. Just tap here and give a name for your group. After that, you can scroll down the list of recents. It will only have your friends in it because you cannot create a group with people who are not your friends. If you cannot find the people you want to add there, just tap here and search for them just like that. Once you find them, just tap on them and they will be selected. Once you select the people you want to add to the group, just tap on chat with group right here. And just like that, the group was created. You can send messages and to interact with people that are in the group. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.